TFNN. Headline News Update.
TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 10 a.m. Eastern time Monday morning, 30 minutes into the trading week, and we got markets trading in the positive right now. NASDAQ index, I should say, up 35 points, trading at 95.55. We've got the S&P up 6, trading at 33.33. Dow Jones positive by 41, trading at 29,143. I have a chart of the S&P futures up here. You see the spike lower last night, 6 p.m. Eastern time. We trade to a low at 6:35 p.m. at a low of 33.03. We then trade much higher by 9:30 p.m. last night. We actually dipped to a low at 9:15. Back at about 33.15, but we take off on the opening bell. The S&P's right now trading at 33.33 and approaching that high we had last night of 33.34. Jumping around to some of the other indices, we'll start it off with the Dow. Pretty similar action last night. You spike lower on the 6 p.m. futures open. You then reach a pre-market high of 29,124. We're about 20 Dow points away from that level. NASDAQ 100 at 94.50. You see the spike lower last night. The highs of Friday afternoon at about 94.60, so you're within about 10 points of that price level, and you're now above the overnight highs in the NASDAQ. We cover the S&P, approaching that high we had of 33.34, within about a point to that level. Crude oil continuing to struggle, spikes lower on the open last night, currently at 50.15. There's your gold contract, trading inverse with the market. Gold spiking to a high at 6:30 last night of 15.79, currently 15.75.95. And the euro-US dollar with just a little bit of a drop-off there, even in the last hour and a half. The euro-US dollar trading at 109.28. In terms of what else you have happening in the market, coronavirus update, pretty staggering numbers. The total now of cases above 40,000, the death toll above 900 as that count persists higher. Simon Property Group going to buy their rival Taubman. Not sure you could actually call them a rival when Simon, $43 billion company they're buying Taubman nonetheless, though, at 3.6 for about a 50% premium. And jumping around to the VIX, we'll finish it off as this market gained some steam. You saw the VIX just on the open trade from above 1640, now at 1588. Stay tuned, folks. Coming back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Fast Market by TD Ameritrade, Thinkorswim, Kevin Hinks, Alex Coffey, and the team at 11. Basil Chapman at noon. Steve Rhodes, Dave White, Tom O'Brien, all this afternoon. We'll be right back, folks.